G'day nerds, Luke here. Thank you for watching. Battlefield 3, Windows 10, DirectX error, something along those lines. If you're watching this video, you'll know what I'm talking about, and after you've watched it, you should have a full understanding of how to fix it. I recently reinstalled Battlefield 3 to do a single player campaign playthrough at 4K, so stay tuned for that content. And then I came across, after downloading it and trying to install it, DirectX error. So in this video, I'm going to help you get that sorted without any more rambling. So the first thing you want to do is go to DLL.me, or just type in whatever web browser you're using, search engine, whatever. I've got X on the brain. D3DX11_43.dll, free download from DLL.me. So you're going to want to click the download button and it'll download it. And then once you download it, you're going to want to copy and paste or drag and drop that to your desktop and just leave it there for a minute. The next thing that you're going to want is the D3D compiler. See, I don't mix up the X in that because there's no X. Okay, again, DLL.me, I don't recommend, I'd use DLL.me because it's reputable. I don't really know about anywhere else. If you know somewhere else to get these DLL files, by all means, grab it. So you're going to want the D3D compiler, right? So there it is right there. You're going to want to grab that one, okay? So then you're going to also, same process, you're going to want to, once it's downloaded, it's a very small download, 4.3 meg, it should take a couple of seconds. Just drag and drop that to your desktop, okay? And then close this window down. Close this window down. Now, as you can see here on my Windows desktop, I've got both down here at the bottom, the D3DXL11 and the D3D compiler. They're both there. You're going to want to select both of them. Open up your, so G for gaming, I've got C disk, which is Windows, D for data, which is like documents, downloads, Windows, movies, music, and pictures, and all that sort of shit. And then that's where I save my YouTube videos to. And then gaming is where my games are at. So Origin, you don't want to go to the Origin file, you want to go to Program Files, Origin Games, Battlefield 3. And then you're going to want to copy and paste, or, just mouse select them and drag and drop them in there. And as you can see, I've got the D3D compiler and the D3DX11 DLL in there. So after that's done, you can try installing it again and running it again. If that doesn't work, if that wasn't the problem, you're going to want to go to, where is it? You're going to want to go to Installer, DirectX, Redist, and then you'll have a different screen. Once you get to this screen, once you get to this tab, you'll have a different, it'll look completely different. There'll just be a huge page of files, right? So if I double click this, all these files here, you'll have them here. Now the object of this is to get all those files into this small file, right? So what you want to do is you want to click in this open space here, right click, new folder, and then you want to make a new folder over here. Let's delete that real quick, right? Because I've already got mine. You need to create yours. Name it whatever you want. Name it friggin' peanut butter and honey sandwich or something. I don't know. So just make your new folder, okay? Once you made your new folder, and it'll be at the top. It should be, and you've got all these files there. You're gonna want to go Control A and select all of them, or use your mouse and just drag and select your mouse if you can't figure that out or something. People I don't know. Let's move on. So Control A, or just use your mouse and select all. Once you've done that, you're going to want to hold down the left control button and go 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 file folders, whatever you want to call them, you don't want them selected. DSetup DLL, DSetup 32 DLL, and DirectX setup EXE, and the new file that you made. You don't want them selected. So with all the other files that you have selected, which should be all these ones, there should be 4 that you haven't selected, which are these 4 here. You want to make sure that these are all selected by Control A, there you go. They're all selected, or again, just drag like that. Okay, now all those files there will be here. You want to drag them into that new folder that you made. Don't drag them into dsetup DLL and dsetup 32. Don't drag them into there. You want to drag all those files into the new folder that you made. Once you've done that, then try running Battlefield 3. And it should work, because here I am. Launch campaign. Initializing campaign. I bet it's going to be really loud too. Rest in peace headset users in 3, 2. There it is. Now, obviously, this isn't going to be the campaign playthrough because I'm not on my 4K monitor. But, yep, there it is. All done. So that's it. That's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Feel free to drop a small aspiring no frills YouTuber a like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned for the 4K playthrough.